Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my typical weekend Saturday morning cleaning routine. The house from the week was pretty messy and it just really needed to be straightened up and deep cleaned. So I'm going to spend the entire morning doing that. This routine typically takes me about an hour or so to complete. That's just the downstairs of my house. That is if I get no interruptions or distractions, of course. But I am 18 weeks pregnant now and I do get out of breath pretty quickly, so I tend to take frequent breaks. So I'm going to start in the living room by just picking up everything off the floor, fluffing the pillows, putting my daughter's toys away into the toy room. And lately I've been breaking down my cleaning by room. So like I'll finish my entire living room first. You'll see me do the dusting and the vacuuming and all of that, and then I'll move into like the dining area and do that same routine and into the kitchen. I find that if I get like the quick wins, so I can kind of keep my motivation going, then just kind of doing all the vacuuming and then all the dusting. So I like to break things up a little bit. So now that the vacuuming is completed in the living room, I'm just gonna move on to the dusting and wiping down of surfaces like around my fireplace. I really love the method. I think it's like glass and multi-purpose surface cleaner. It has like this very nice mint scent. And in the beginning of my pregnancy, I was so nauseous, like any smells would make me so sick. And this was the one scent that I could even bear to stand. And I will list all of my favorite cleaning products that I use in today's video down below in the description box. Okay, so now moving on to the little dining area of our kitchen. I'm just gonna be wiping down the table in there, and then I'm also going to be giving my chairs a deep clean. You'll see in a minute. I'm gonna be using the Bissell cleaning system. This is the first time that I'm using that to clean my chairs, so I will keep you updated on the results if they did get the stains out of my chairs. Okay, so now that I got the chairs all cleaned, I'm gonna put them outside in the sunlight to dry. I've been getting a lot of questions on my rug here, and if I can still find it, I will link to it down below in the description box. And to clean my hardwood floors here today, I'm gonna be using the Bona hardwood floor cleaner with the reattachable little mop that you can wash. I love this hardwood floor cleaner. It's the only thing that doesn't streak my floors, and it's just so easy to use. So another room done, and I'm moving on to the kitchen area. The kitchen countertop tends to be a dumping zone, especially at the end of the week or after we've been shopping or out running errands all day. Everything tends to just get dumped here. I'm sure you guys can relate. To clean my kitchen countertops today, I'm going to be using just a mixture of soap and water. I use the Palmolive antibacterial soap, but you can really mix in any dish soap, and I just think it does such a beautiful job. I have quartz countertops, and it just doesn't leave any streaks and just gets it nice and clean. I love using these SOS pads to clean like my pots and pans, and what I'll do is I will quarter them so that they last a lot longer, because I find that if I just use one big one, just if I need to clean one little pan, it's super wasteful. So now that the dishes are done and I've started the dishwasher, I am gonna go back to cleaning down the countertops and just wiping down the backsplash in my kitchen. Now, to clean my stovetop, I am just using that soap and water combination. I like to use this mixture to clean various surfaces in my home. And to follow that up, I'm just using a little stainless steel polish on a microfiber cleaning cloth to shine all the stainless steel surfaces in my kitchen. The Wyman brand, or Wyman brand, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but their stainless steel cleaner is really, really good. I do like the aerosol can, like the foam spray that I'm using here, but they also make some really, really good wipes. And to clean the inside of my microwave, I'm just wiping it down with a disinfectant wipe.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
Okay, so moving on to my cabinet doors and the door handles, I'm just using a disinfectant wipe to also give those a clean as well.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history.
Now I'm just finishing up in the kitchen area using my Dyson stick vacuum and then following that up with the Bona hardwood floor cleaner.
Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
We keep this pretty large basket that I think I got at Target. If I can still find it, I will link to it below. But I like to keep it at the bottom of the stairs, so anything that I would maybe put on the stairs, you just kind of leave it there and eventually bring it up. We just toss it all in the basket and then I can just quickly in one swoop carry everything up. We just have some shoes hanging out in the hallway here. Typically we come in through the garage and that's where we keep our shoe basket, but because we had been coming in through the front door, they weren't taken to the shoe basket. So I'm just gonna do a little quick cleaning of the hallway here before I move on to the playroom and to the downstairs bath. So I did do a playroom declutter and organization clean out video, I think like a month or two ago. I will link it up above and down below if you wanted to check that out, but it's just kind of more in depth of how I specifically clean this area and how I keep it organized. Now I do try to put everything away into the different containers or the individual bins. I keep them organized by category, and I have been trying to teach my daughter to do the same. Okay, so we're in the home stretch here. I am just going to give a little clean to our downstairs guest bath. Luckily, this shower really isn't ever used. I don't think that it's actually ever been used since we've moved in. So the only thing that I really need to do in the shower is I'll just kind of spray down the glass and make sure that it's nice and clean. And I always like to wipe down like the base of the toilet and the floor with either like a disinfectant spray or a disinfectant wipe. And if you haven't tried out the Clorox toilet wand that I was just using right there, I definitely recommend you go and pick that up. It is a total lifesaver. I'm just finishing up the bathroom here, vacuuming, and then I'm going to be using my Swiffer sweeper. I just use, I think it's like the maybe lavender scent. I'm not sure. I will look and I will list it down below, but I really like using this on the bathroom tile. So that is going to be everything for today's cleaning video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe so that you don't miss any upcoming videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching.